So before we start the course proper, here are some of the things we are going to cover in this course. We would cover introduction to PowerPoint interface. We would also learn how to navigate the ribbon and menus. We would learn how to create new slides, import background images, creating gradient overlays, duplicating slides, deleting slides. We would also learn to replace text, resizing text. We also learn to make use of the eyedropper tool. Furthermore, we would learn how to create an About Us page. We would learn how to make use of the selections, aligning objects and grouping objects together. We would also learn how to make use of the crop and fill tools. We would learn how to make use of the morph transition, merging shapes together, creating infographics, adding animation effects. We would also learn how to manipulate images, removing background from images. We would also make use of the advanced tool using the PowerPoint add-ins to insert a QR code.